Hi! In this video, I'll show you how to download a playlist on Spotify, step by step. Let's get started. On your phone, start by opening the Spotify app. Take a moment to find the green icon with a black background on your home screen or in your app list, and tap it once. If you are asked to sign in, use your usual Spotify account details, since downloads only work when you are logged into the right account. Once the app opens, you should see the main Spotify home screen with music suggestions. Once Spotify is open, look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on your library. It is usually the third option, with a small icon that looks like books or lines. When you tap it, the screen changes to show your playlists, artists, albums, and maybe podcasts. If you do not see your playlist right away, you can gently scroll up and down in this list until you find it. From there, choose the playlist you want to download by tapping on its name. The playlist opens on a new screen, showing the cover image at the top, the playlist title, and the list of songs below. Make sure you pick the correct playlist now, because Spotify will download exactly what you see here. If you ever pick the wrong one, you can come back to this list and open a different playlist using the same step. Now, look near the top of this playlist screen for the download button and tap it. On most phones, this is a small circle or switch labeled download, or a down arrow icon, sitting just under the playlist title. When you tap it, the control changes color or moves to show that downloading is turned on. A common mistake is tapping the first song instead, which only starts playing and does not download anything, so be sure you tap the download control itself. After that, wait while Spotify downloads the songs in this playlist to your phone. You might notice little spinning icons or progress indicators next to each track as they are saved. This can take from a few seconds to several minutes depending on how many songs are in the playlist and how fast your internet is. If you leave this screen, the download continues in the background as long as the app is still running and you stay connected. When the download icon indicates completion, the playlist is available for offline listening. The download switch or arrow will now appear solid or turned on, and each track will usually show a small green arrow beside it. This means these songs are stored inside the Spotify app, so they will play even if your connection drops. If you ever want to free up space, you can tap the same download control again on this playlist to remove the saved files while keeping the playlist itself. Now let us move to the computer version using the Spotify app on your PC. Open Spotify by clicking its icon on your desktop or in your Start menu, just as you normally launch programs. When it opens, you should see the main window with a dark background, a sidebar on the left, and your music content in the center. Make sure you are signed into the same Spotify account where your playlists are saved. With Spotify open on your PC, click on your library in the left sidebar. It usually appears a little below Home and Search and shows a list of your playlists and other collections when selected. Once you click it, the right side of the window updates to show all your playlists. If your window is small, you might need to widen it slightly to see the full names of your playlists clearly. Next up, open the playlist you want by clicking its name from that list. The main panel now shows the playlist cover image, its title at the top, and the full track list below. Take a second to confirm this is the playlist you want offline, especially if you have several with similar names. Remember that any changes you make here affect how this playlist behaves on your other devices too, since it is linked to your account. At this point, click the download button near the top of the playlist. It is usually a down arrow icon with the word download beside it, just under the playlist title. When you click it, the button changes appearance to show that downloading is active. Many new users click the green play button by accident, which only starts playback, so check that you actually click download, not play. After clicking download, wait for the download to finish on your PC. You will see progress as small green arrows appear next to each song once they are saved. While this runs, it helps to keep your computer connected to the internet and avoid putting it to sleep. When all songs show the green arrow, Spotify has stored them locally and they are ready to play without using your data connection. Once the download has completed, you can listen to this playlist without an internet connection. You can test this later by closing your browser and turning off Wi-Fi, then reopening Spotify and playing the playlist. The songs should start right away, since they are coming from your computer instead of streaming. If playback ever fails when you are offline, it usually means the playlist was never fully downloaded or has been removed using the same download button. Before we finish, there are a few helpful points about how Spotify stores these downloads. Spotify downloads are stored inside the Spotify app itself, and they are not saved as regular MP3 files that you can move to another music player. So you cannot copy these songs directly to a USB drive or another app. They only play through Spotify on the device where you downloaded them. Spotify also recommends keeping at least 1 gigabyte of free storage available for the app. If your phone or computer is almost full, downloads can stop midway or fail without much warning. Clearing some space usually lets Spotify resume downloading automatically, using the same playlists you already set to download. Another thing to know is that you need to go online at least once every 30 days to keep downloaded content available offline. When you connect, Spotify quietly checks your account and refreshes the licenses for your saved playlists. If you stay offline longer than that, the app may stop playing downloads until it can reach the internet again with the same account. Finally, you can download music on up to 5 devices, with up to 10,000 tracks per device. This means you can have downloads on a phone, a tablet, and a couple of computers at the same time. If you hit the device limit in the future, removing downloads from one device using the same download controls you used earlier will free up a spot for another device. You have now downloaded a Spotify playlist on both your phone and your computer, so it is ready for offline listening. If this saved you time, please consider giving it a like. It helps the next person who is stuck find this fix. And if you would like to support the channel, subscribe. It is free and truly keeps us going. Thanks for watching.